Hey everyone, welcome to the Savvy Mama. It's Crystal and it's Monday. I'm posting on Mondays and Thursdays. If you haven't subscribed, click subscribe and hit the notification button to hear when I post. Today we're talking about Canva. Canva is something that I've been using for a few years already, and I want to show you what Canva is all about. So go to your computer and type www.canva.com and let's get started. So you're going to go to canva.com, and once you're there, you're going to click create account. I'm providing the link for you to join, so click below the link below this video and you'll be able to get started. Once you sign up with your email account, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. There's so much to do here. If you see, there's presentations, planners that you could create, newsletters, programs, media kits, and so much more. So I'm showing you here, and these are templates. So if you click on one of them, you're gonna see a variety of templates that you can choose from on the left-hand side. And once you click on one, you could edit the template. So the colors, you can change the colors. You could type whatever you'd like. If you create something, you could make a duplicate of that same page. So you would click copy page and you would edit that page. You could also delete. You could add a new page and add another page to that, and it could be a different template as well. So there's so much to do. Once you create your own, for example, if you're doing a flyer, you could add a title at the top. Just say we type flyer 1. You could go down this list on your right hand side, and how would you like to publish? You could either download it to your computer, you could order print flyers through Canva, you could share a link, you could do a presentation. There's so much more that you can do. You can save it on Google Drive, email it, post it on your LinkedIn, Pinterest, and so much more. You can put it on a t-shirt and sell it. You could embed it on a website. You could embed it, you could add it to a website. So guys, there is so much you can do on canva.com, and this is something I've been using for a long time. After this video, see one of the creations I made for our office through Canva. And it has all of your designs here on the left. If you want to create a brand kit, you do have to upgrade in order to do that. And here's a little bit more about it. It gives you free for 30 days. Never pay for images, videos, and audio. Stay on brand all the time with Brand Kit. Turn one graphic into many with one click, and so on. You could create a team and have everyone share the designs by inviting. And you have all your folders here, your designs, and so on, recommended for you. You scroll down, and you could see some of my recent designs here. So here's one that I've been giving away free on my payhip.com. You'll also see a link below this video. But I've done a job search kit, and I've gotten quite a few downloads on this. I created a job search application. This was a template that was here in this in Canva. If you see it, you can also see project schedule right there. But I edited the template, and I created my own by changing the words and adding more pages. So this is a job search. This is a job search application tracker, an interview tracker. It comes in a bundle, my follow-up tracker, and so much more. People have downloaded this more than once, and I have it on my website. I'll provide the website below this video. And maybe you're not one to want to edit and you rather purchase, and that's okay. That's why there are a lot of creators out there that are creating templates that you can download. And so this is me showing you how to do it. If you'd like to do it, you can. You go to templates and you have so much to discover there. You have charts, invitations, business cards, social media, files, folders, business, weather, all these different things, photos, free photos. You could create your own logo. And there's so many options for you to create your own logo. Now there are going to be, when you're creating something, there is going to be, for example, things that you purchase. Let's just take this for example. This is a makeup logo, and let's just say I want to go to elements and I want to add something. I want to add a flower. Let's, in the search box, you're going to click flower. And you see this icon here where it says Pro. You actually have to have a Pro account in order to apply this. You can move it around, but the watermarks are still going to be there where it says Canva. So you have to pay money to remove this watermark. So you click on that, and it's $1. Don't pay for images, get Canva Pro, unlock this image, and 60 million more. You could start your free trial, or you could click purchase. If you click purchase, it's gonna ask you for a payment. If not, you could start the 30-day free trial and get that for free. But after the 30 days, you're either gonna have to upgrade to the program, or you're going to have to pay the $1. So this is Canva's thing that they have the package, or you could pay per item. And of course, if you're going to be using multiple flowers, let's say you're going to be using just different, that looks nice. So if you're going to be doing something like that, you could even do like a transparent, right? But you see the Canva there in the middle, so you're going to want to remove that and pay for that, and that way you could continue to use it, and you'll be able to use it more than once, not on just this logo. You're gonna be able to use it more than once. So this is really cool. If you try Canva Pro, it doesn't, okay, so here it is. I wanted to show you the prices. Right now, these prices, monthly it's $12.95. If you pay up front yearly, you're paying $9.95 per month, and you save. So you're paying $119.40. Your first payment would be due August 19th, right? That's if you buy it today. Now this can change anytime, but I would really recommend this if you have a blog, if you have a website, anything. If you're creating content online and you're someone that likes to create social media graphics, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you're creating, this is free. And if you want more, if you want to use the app more and get more out of it, then of course you're going to either pay per image, or you will pay for the Pro. I'm using the free now, and it's been great. A few years ago, I've actually purchased a few images, but it's been a while that I haven't. And a lot of it, I just use what's free. So this is something that will help you in your business. This is an app that you could even have kids create something in their spare time, or maybe for school, or if they have something, a brochure. I know sometimes they have assignments in school where they need to create a brochure or something for a class. So this is a perfect way for you to have them get started online and choose a template and have them edit that. So there's just so much you can do on Canva. I really recommend you take a look at it and download it. Click the link below and get started on canva.com. This is a mama tip for those moms that are looking to create, even make planners, storyboards, calendars, print them out, announcements, and so much more. This is Canva. Thank you for watching The Savvy Mama. Click subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Click the notification button. Thank you for joining and watching. And don't forget to look at the bottom of this video. You're gonna find some of the creations I've made, and also a link so you can join canva.com today. Thank you for watching The Savvy Mama.